everybody, welcome back to another video on Sneakers Unboxing with Moy, and today we're going to be unboxing the women's Air Jordan Retro High OG in the Satin Bred colorway, so let's get to it. Alright, so here's the box, and so the plain cardboard box, nothing too crazy, and so let's jump right into it. There you go. All right, so upon opening the cardboard box, I don't know if you can really tell, but that's how it looks. So let's take them out. Alright, so first impression, I really like the box. They inverted the colors because it's usually a black box with the red lettering, but they inverted it now, so it's red box, black lettering. And so, like your standard Air Jordan 1 box, so you have your Nike logos all around the box on top, and then on the bottom we have our trademark logos and all that. And so the front, we have our sizing right here, and once again it's a 7.5, and so because this is a women's Air Jordan 1, and so the colors are black, university red, white, and so the name is women's Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. And so yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's see how they look. Okay, so upon opening the box, there is this little satchel. I didn't know it came with this. That's pretty cool. So this is like a little bag with your Jumpman logo on it. And so it's plain on the back. And then this is the front, of course. And then the inside is just black if you're curious, but it's just black. And so let's set that to the side right here. And so, oh, so here is the first look of the Satin Bred. Very nice, very nice. And so this is the inner side of the left shoe. And this is the back, and then once again this side, and then your sole is red as well, and then your laces are black, all that good stuff. And so the insole is Nike Air with a red insole. I'll show you guys the close-ups and you'll get to see it a little bit better. And so tongue has the Nike Air for the little tab, little logo right there. And so your wings Air Jordan logo and the Nike logo is all embroidered. It's all embroidered, so it's very nice. It's a very clean shoe, and you can't go wrong with the Bred. So let me get the other one out. And so here we have the pair together. As you can tell from the camera, it's like really shiny because it's not leather. Of course, it's the Satin Bred. It's in the same name, so that is the material. And like how I said, the laces are black. The aglets, they're not just plastic black. They are, they look like, oh, they have the Jumpman logo. I'll see if I can get that on the close-up shots. But the aglets are, I guess you could say metal, or they look metal at least. And instead of black, they made it like a chrome or titanium. Alright, and so in one of the shoes, it came with your extra set of laces, and they are red. So if you ever decide to change them from black to red, so you have your extra set. And they have the Jumpman logo on the front of the box and on the back of it. So once you open them, you just slide up the cardboards on each side, and then you have your laces as well, and then the aglets are titanium or chrome, like how I said earlier. And so that's pretty much it. The toe box, the upper, everything, it's all satin except for the tongue tab, which is polyester, and then the midsole is white, sole is red, same on both shoes. It's a very simple and clean shoe, like how I said before. And so let me get you guys the close-up shots, and then we can get to wrapping up the video. So let's get to it. Alright, so that wraps up the video on these women's Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG in the Satin Bred colorway. If you guys have any questions or concerns, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.